Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film Costco snacks. I'm going to taste test 4 snacks from Costco. So let's get started. The first one is this one. This one is crispy trail mix crackers. So it looks pretty healthy, this one I reckon, because it say it's baked and only 60 calories per one pack. It's individually packed inside. Oh yeah, it is 20 pieces individual packs inside, so each pack is 60 calories, and it says it is with mung beans, cashew nuts, raisins, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds. So it sounds pretty healthy. So this one is made in Thailand, and you can look at the ingredients. It has wheat flour, rice bran, oil, and shortening. I don't know what shortening means. Mung bean, cashew nuts, sesame seeds. It has color 168 and emulsifier 322 from soil. So maybe these two are the only two additives for this product. But I don't know what's shortening. Okay, let me open it, see how it looks like inside. So it has a sealable band as well, so I can reseal it. It looks like that inside. So inside looks like that, individual pack. So let me open one pack now. It just tastes like crackers, but the base tastes like sweeter than the normal crackers. And then I can taste lots of nuts, sesame, what's the other one, mung bean, and yeah, I can just taste the nuts and and it's not too sweet, just a little bit sweet. Okay, let me have another bite. So I want to taste the pumpkin seed and the raisin and the cashew nut. So it's okay. It's like a good snack, I think. It sounds very healthy. It is not as sweet as the nut bars from the supermarket. And then I think one pack might not be enough if I'm craving for snacks. Definitely I will need 2 packs each time. So 120 calories, I don't know. I'm not like really calculating my calories. Okay, let me try another one. The second one I'm going to try is this one. This is Shitake mushroom. I have some expectation from this one. It says it's low temperature cooked and it's all natural, ready to eat snacks. No GMO used, no added MSG. So sounds pretty healthy as well. This one is made in Australia from imported and local ingredients. So you can see the ingredients. Only maybe natural flavor is the addictive. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Okay, let me open it, see how it looks like inside. It has a reseal band as well. It looks like that inside. Can you see that? Wow, it really looks like mushroom. Did you hear the sound? It's really crispy, and I would say it's a little bit hard. Not suitable to have one, to eat the big one with one bite. So it is seasoned. The seasoning is not too strong. Let me see what exactly is the seasoning inside. It says that it's got maltose, which is the sweet thing, sea salt, yeast extract, and spices. I don't know what kind of spices that they used it. Overall, not too spicy. I mean, you can't really tell what kind of spices are inside, but you can feel that it is seasoned. But the seasoning is not too strong. It's very mild, a little bit sweet. That's the overall impression. So when I bite it or chew it, can't really feel any textures from a mushroom. If you close my eyes and then ask me to taste it, I cannot imagine, it won't give me a feeling that I'm eating a mushroom. So totally the mushroom texture is gone for sure. It's more like eating a piece of maybe brisket. Yeah, it tastes like briskets, like those cracker biscuits. That's my first impression of eating this one. Let me eat another piece. I'm getting a smaller one this time. Same as the first one. I can't tell it is a mushroom at all. I could only say I'm eating like a piece of cracker biscuit. Recently, I found that drop some to the soup make the soup very tasty. It softens the mushroom back to its original texture, and at the same time, because it's seasoned, so it makes the soup tastier. Okay, let me try the third one. The third one is just this crispy coconut rolls. I think this one should be very popular, and maybe lots of you have already tried it. But I tried some other brands, but not from Costco. So that's why I bought this one from Costco and see any difference between this one and the one that I bought outside. So it says that it made from real coconut milk, and then there's no artificial colors and flavors, and suitable for vegetarians. So it is made in Thailand, and the ingredients looks quite good. I can't see any additives, so this one should be a very natural and clean snack. Oh, but it has egg, so it is for vegetarian but not for vegan because it has egg. Oh. I quite like Costco snack. They all have, maybe it's big pack, so they all have a reseal pan here. It looks like that inside. It tastes exactly like what I had outside. I mean, another brand. So yeah, it's good. It's good, but nothing surprise. But no surprise doesn't mean that it doesn't taste good. It tastes good, but there's no difference at all from what I bought outside. So you can buy outside or buy from Costco, whatever you like. Okay, the last one. The last one is this one. This is the Taro bites. It says that the center is soft and it made with real taro. Let me open it and see how it looks like inside. So it looks like that inside, individually packed. It didn't say how many inside, but it is individually packed inside. So the ingredients is like that. I would say this one has quite a few additives compared to the other three, and it has preservative 211. Maybe compared to the other three, this one has the most additives inside, and it is made in Thailand. It's individually packed like that. Let me open one. It has a small container inside. Tastes good, but still no surprise. Inside is soft. Let me see what's inside the filling. It didn't really say what filling is it, like what kind of filling is it. It does have tapioca flour, but it has lots of palm oil inside this one. Okay, maybe it's a mixture of something that they made a filling inside. and I can't really taste like what exactly. Maybe it's a mixture of something. But this one got lots of additives. Now I see that. Okay, that's all for this taste test Costco snacks. Among all these 4 snacks, I mean, none of them are really impressive, to be honest. I mean, if I really think of like repurchase, I think I will go for this cracker mix, the trial mix cracker, because I like the texture, and it sounds like a good healthy snacks. Okay, that's all for this taste testing. I hope you will like it. I will do more Costco food tasting in future. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.